It still shocks me that apps are paying this amount of money just by doing nothing on the internet. I mean, nothing on the internet, and they are paying this amount of money. You know, this century that we are, you can actually make hundreds of dollars with just your smartphone without leaving your home at all. And in this video, I'll show you an app that we have tested and tried. I pay someone something like this. I pay someone something like this. And in this video, I will share it to you guys how you can start making money with this app and how you can cash out your money in no time. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, you can hit the like button and let's just get started. Okay, so before we continue, my name is James. On the channel I post things about making money online either with your smartphone or your laptop and how you can scale up yourself in 2026. So if you find value in this video, you can hit subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started. So now, what's the name of this app? How do you make money with this app? What are the ways to cash out your money with this app? Okay, so before we continue, let me just get right into my VPN. Okay, you need a VPN to be able to download this app. You need a VPN to be able to sign up. After signing up, I don't use VPN anymore. You understand? You can use any VPN. You can use Tunnelbear right here, or you can use VPNify, or you can use your proxy. Okay, you can either use any of them. All right. So after turning your proxy, you can either go to your app store. But on my app store, I already changed my country from Nigeria to United States. So I'm using a United States app store, right? I'm using the United States app store. I don't use Nigerian app store again. All right, so let me show you my United States app store so you guys can see for yourself. As you can see right here, my country region here is United States. So any app I download are in the United States. All right, so now just come right here and search for this app called Reco right here. Okay, so I would like to explain this app and how you can make money from this app. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any part. At the end of this video, I'll show you guys how to cash out your money. Okay, so right here you can see you say find your next obsession, tap any post to review the product inside, save your favorites, sync your posts from other platforms and start earning. Right, so discover new games and track your earnings. So now what this app allows you to do is that you don't need to own the content, you don't need to have the content for yourself. All right, you can pick you don't need to download other people's video. All you just need to do is to bring other people's video from other platforms, people that are consistently posting, all right, so that you can earn a lot of money for yourself. Okay, so what they do is that when you put that person username on this app, they will bring other person video on his TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. They will bring it to their platform and they will pay you for that. Okay, they will pay you for doing so. All right, let me show you something. Just come right here, just open the app open the app. So as you can see on this interface, I've logged out of my account. Okay, I'll also log in my account so you guys can see how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, this is everything right here. So now let me log into my account, or should I create a new account? Let's see how it goes though. Let's start. I'll use Google. I'll not use my Apple. Alright, so as you can see, it has signed me up, right? So now what I want you to do is to think about the person you know most that posts every single time. You can choose any celebrity you know that posts every single time. You can give your username to that celebrity. The celebrity can own your username. All right, so if I can think very well, the celebrity that posts every time, either in tech world, in gospel, in any other niches, you know, so you can just put the person name right here. Okay, or you can put any name before you even get started. Okay, let me just put my name James. Let me continue like that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is how the labs looks like. Okay, they will tell you to choose what you want. You can skip this. Okay, you can skip this. Then what I want you to do is to tap on your profile first. Tap on your profile. As you can see, we don't have anything here. We don't have anything. So what we are going to do is to think about who posts daily on their platform, who posts daily. Okay, so I'll be using one of my mentor and I'll be putting his profile here. Everything about him, I'll put him here. All right, so what I'm going to do is to go to my YouTube account. Let's go to YouTube. He has an Instagram account, he has TikTok account, he has a YouTube account. All right, this is it. So what I'm going to do,
single most important gift in the world.
So this is his channel, right? He normally posts reels. Okay, he posts reels, right? He posts reels, but make sure you look for somebody that is consistently posting. Okay, because all of this is video right here will take it to other platform, but will not download it. This app will just connect with YouTube. Okay, they will connect with YouTube and they will ship all this video to my account. Okay, so what I'm going to do is firstly, let me go to his post. Let me see. Okay, he has a post. Let me see if he has post of his own for it. Let me see. Okay, something like, let me just screenshot this. Good. So right here. I'll just come right here, then I will need to edit my profile. It is right now. So tap on the dollar sign down here, okay? Tap on the dollar sign. As you can see, currently you have zero balance, right? I will log into my second account so you can see how much I have, okay? So it is one of my good person that sent me this app to see how it works, because they have been cashing out from this app, okay? Okay, before we continue, as you can see right here, it says how to earn. Let us click on it and see. Right here it says earn from your content effortlessly. Upload or import content. Post content directly to Reco or import them from platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Reco auto matches products. Our AI attaches relevant high commission products to your content, so you can earn from every view, click or purchase. Earn from engagement. The more your content performs, the more you earn, both from affiliate conversion and Reco creator rewards. Okay, so that's how you earn from this website, right? That's how you earn. So let's click on upload content, right? Okay, it's loading. So right here, they will tell you to choose which. Now from Instagram, let's say I want to import from Instagram of the person I have, then all I need to do is just to go to his Instagram pages, right? I'll go to Instagram page. Right here, I'll search for him. Just search for Vusi, right? Okay, Daisy. So just look at his username, right? This is it, Vusi Temkwai, right? So just come here and put the username right there. Okay, what the AI will do is that it will take all his content and post for you without you even be there. Okay, then let me see. Okay, Kwayo. Alright, so that's it. Just click on connect to Instagram. Okay, as you can see, it shows the content, right? Now 56, just say yes, import my content. Okay, so it's processing. On your social media, right? I mean, on this place, you start seeing your content. The more people are watching, they don't even need to watch your content much. Just make sure your content is available here and leave it alone. You can just wake up one day and start seeing your money counting right here, okay? There are other ways you can earn from this website, right? This is referral, right? This is referral. If you can check the referral overview right here, they say friends earn $5, you earn 5, they earn 10, they earn 10, right? You can use my referral link will be in the description and comments if you want to. All right, so there are also games, right? You can play games and earn, right? These are games you can play and earn. This is available on Android and iPhone. All right, it's available on Android and iPhone. So as you can see, these are games you can play games and earn. Okay, so now let me log into my account so you guys can see what I'm saying. Okay, all right, I've logged into my account. Okay, so I'll just tap on my profile right here. As you can see, this is a profile. I didn't upload any of this video, okay? The AI did all the works for me. He uploaded 58 posts and I keep uploading every single time, okay? Be uploading by itself. Okay, let's check the earnings, right? You see I have a small amount here, which is $2.40, right? So if you can check the earnings, these are the videos that earn me this amount of money, right? This, I don't have followers, I don't have anything, okay? I did not refer anybody, okay? This is my first time I'm sharing this to people, okay? So that's how the website, that's how you can make money from this website, okay? So now, how do you cash out your money? Let's assume you have made that type of amount of money. You want to cash out your earnings, right? Just tap on these three lines up here, okay? Tap on earnings, right? And you will see where it says cash out, right? Cash out with Tremendous. As you can see, they pay using Tremendous, right? So you need to verify a US number. Now be very sensitive, right? Be very sensitive. This US number, when you put it, you cannot edit it again. If you do not put a real US number, your account is gone, right? Your account is gone. They will not give your money and the number will not be verified. Alright, they need you to have a real US number. I'm doing my research on how to get a real US number. So if you want to know the number I use to verify my account, join my WhatsApp group, join Telegram, which I will drop all the full details there. Alright, so you guys can verify your account and cash out your money. Okay, this is a free money for you guys. And before I end this video, I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to educate you guys on how it works. I'm not assuring that it will work for you. Okay, it may not work for you. All right, so make sure you do your proper research before jumping on anything at all. So see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, share this video to someone in need, and God bless you.